Airxcel Thermostat Troubleshooting. Easy fixes for common issues. To troubleshoot an Airxcel thermostat, first, check the power source and ensure it has a stable connection. Next, inspect the thermostat settings and reset them if necessary. Airxcel thermostats are essential for maintaining a comfortable environment in RVs and other mobile spaces. These devices regulate temperature efficiently, ensuring optimal comfort. Occasionally, issues may arise, requiring troubleshooting. Common problems include power supply issues, incorrect settings, or internal malfunctions. By addressing these concerns promptly, you can restore your thermostat's functionality. Regular maintenance and understanding basic troubleshooting steps can prevent prolonged discomfort. This guide provides clear, actionable steps to resolve common issues with Airxcel thermostats, helping you maintain a comfortable living space in your RV. Introduction to Airxcel thermostats. Airxcel thermostats are popular in many homes and RVs. They help control the indoor temperature. Understanding their functions can improve comfort. 1. Importance of thermostats. 2. Common thermostat issues. Airxcel thermostat basic functionality. Understanding the basic functionality of your Airxcel thermostat is crucial. This helps in troubleshooting any issues that may arise. Knowing how your thermostat works and its key features can save you time and effort. Know 1. How Airxcel thermostats work. 2. Key features. Airxcel thermostat, identifying problems. Airxcel thermostats are reliable, but they can develop issues. Identifying problems early helps maintain comfort in your home. This section will guide you in identifying common issues. 1. Symptoms of malfunction. 2. Common error codes. Airxcel thermostat quick fixes for power issues. Having power issues with your Airxcel thermostat can be frustrating, but don't worry. Here are some quick fixes to get it working again. Follow these simple steps to check and resolve power-related problems. 1. Checking power supply. 2. Resetting the thermostat. Airxcel thermostat temperature reading problems. Is your Airxcel thermostat displaying incorrect temperatures? This can lead to discomfort and inefficiency. Understanding the root causes can help you fix these problems quickly. We'll explore common issues and solutions. 1. Calibrating the thermostat. 2. Sensor issues. Airxcel thermostat connectivity issues. Dealing with Airxcel thermostat connectivity issues can be frustrating. Ensuring stable connections is essential for seamless operations. This section addresses common connectivity problems and provides troubleshooting steps. 1. Wi-Fi troubleshooting. 2. Syncing with devices. Airxcel thermostat display and interface issues. Having trouble with your Airxcel thermostat? The display and interface issues can be frustrating. These problems affect the thermostat's usability and performance. Here, we will discuss the most common display and interface issues. 1. Unresponsive screen. 2. Button malfunctions. Airxcel thermostat advanced troubleshooting. Advanced troubleshooting for your Airxcel thermostat can resolve complex issues. This section covers firmware updates and contacting support. These steps ensure your thermostat operates smoothly. 1. Firmware updates. 2. Contacting support. Airxcel thermostat preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is crucial for keeping your Airxcel thermostat in top shape. Regular upkeep helps avoid unexpected breakdowns and ensures efficient operation. This section will guide you through essential preventive tasks. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Routine checks. Frequently asked questions about Airxcel thermostat. How do I reset my Airxcel thermostat? To reset your Airxcel thermostat, locate the reset button on the device. Press and hold the button for a few seconds until the screen resets. This should restore the thermostat to its default settings. Why is my Airxcel thermostat not turning on? If your Airxcel thermostat is not turning on, check the power source first. Ensure the thermostat is connected properly. Verify the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Replace batteries if necessary. How can I fix an unresponsive Airxcel thermostat? For an unresponsive Airxcel thermostat, try resetting the device by pressing the reset button. Check for any loose connections or wiring issues. If the problem persists, consult the user manual or contact customer support. What does E1 error mean on Airxcel thermostat? An E1 error on an Airxcel thermostat indicates a communication problem between the thermostat and the HVAC system. Check the wiring and connections. Reset the...
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.